I think we have a big puzzle here. I think there's a lot of pieces, and they need to be put together.
That's the attorney representing Antonio Mays Jr.'s family. The 16-year-old was shot multiple times while inside this white Jeep during violent protests on June 29, 2020.
Antonio came up here to participate in the civil rights movement.
In a statement, the family's attorney, Evan O'Shawn, also said, quote, "The abandonment of the East Precinct and the government directive to not allow first responders to do their job led to the predictable and preventable death of Antonio Mays Jr." On behalf of the family, O'Shawn filed a tort claim against the city of Seattle, King County, and the state of Washington, claiming its leaders aided and abetted the chaos.
To figure out what really happened here, to figure out why a police precinct was essentially walked away from, why the safety of the citizens of Seattle were put at risk.
Right now, the family is not asking for any monetary compensation.
CHOP was a colossal screw up for the city. This lawsuit is one of many.
Mark Lindquist is an attorney representing the family of Horace Lorenzo Anderson, who was killed just days before the death of Mays. He says the city does have a plausible general defense.
The city's going to argue that this was a murder that we couldn't prevent. We're not responsible for the criminal acts of third parties.
But he does say CHOP is a unique situation and is confident the court will make an exception to the general rule.
The city does not want any of these cases in front of a jury. Therefore, I expect they're going to play out some of their legal defenses, and in the end, they ought to settle these cases.
The mayor's office sent King 5 an emailed statement that said in part, Mayor Harrell trusts that the city will respond to the claim and any related litigation in an appropriate manner. In Seattle, Brady Wakayama, King 5 News.